Today we are going to learn arithmetic operations and the math functions in a Python. So let's start with the arithmetic operation. There are plus, minus, multiply, divide, remainder. These are the arithmetic operations that everyone know. We will learn first two arithmetic operations like the plus and the minus. Consider we have defined one variable company as a 4, and what we are doing, we are adding 1 into that variables and we are printing the result. So 1 plus company is equal to 5. That 5 is we are getting. Second arithmetic operations is a minus. So let's use of the minus operations, like the 4 minus 1, the result should be 3. So we are getting the 3 result. Also you can try with multiplications, divisions, remainder. That also you can try. Okay. Second thing, there are the math function. Math is a building. We have the match building. Match building functions are there. So let's learn. First thing, we need to import the math before using the math function. So first is like we have defined the variable x is equal to 9.8, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 6. So first math function is the round function. What does it does, it's convert the decimal over the float value into a whole number in the sense, if the digit value is greater than the point 0.5, then it will convert into the next. If digit value is less than the point 0.5, it will convert into this minimum number. Like its minimum number is a 9.8, so it is greater than the 0.5, so it will convert that number into a 10. Let's see. Okay, so what math function is doing, see what it is, the converting the value into whole number to the next digit, because it's the decimal value is greater than the 0.5. Second thing is the round function. What does the round function do? Sorry, okay, second thing is the absolute function that we are learning. Absolute function basically convert that minus plus over the minus variables into a absolute number. Absolute number is nothing but, I think we need to, okay, comment this. Why we are not getting proper result? Okay, someone has changed this 0.5. Okay. So absolute number is convert plus or the minus into the plus. Second thing, we are going to learn power power functions. There are the different functions, like the power function is there, square function is there. You can learn. We are taking the basic five functions here. Power 2 raised to 3 is nothing but, what is the power 2 raised to 3 is nothing but 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 8. So we are getting 8 as a power value. Third or fourth, we can say mean over the mean over uh, match function is mean over max function is there. So mean over max function is basically give the minimum value or the maximum value. We are taking the minimum value from the x, y, z. Let's see which value we will get. Minus 5. Here I have three value, 9.8, minus 5, and the 6. Minus 5 is the mean value, so we are getting the mean value. Also we can try for a max value also. Let's try. Okay, let's try for a max value out of this. See, 9.8 is the max value we are getting. These are the maths and arithmetic operations. Thank you.